Hello everyone, this is Lindsay and welcome back to my channel. So today I have something for you that I haven't had in a while, and that is some new nature and garden books. Well, they're not new books, they're used books, but they'll be new to you for your journals, paper crafting, and all of that. So I thought I would go through quickly and show you what I have found and what I have listed in my shop under Lindsay's Supplies. This is the first one, Vince Dooley's Garden, and I picked this one for you. Well, not only does it have a wonderful red cover that you can repurpose, but it has some beautiful full page paintings. There are gorgeous florals throughout, but there's a lot of these paintings. And I like to say we use used books as paper pads. So this is great for collage work, journal cards, tags. It's just has some really unique things in it. Look at how pretty. So there's a lot like that in here and a lot of pages. So I thought that would be really, really pretty for you all to play with. I have several of these books. I have Climbing Roses and a few other rose ones as well. These have really nice thickness pages and beautiful roses. So many things you can do with them. Make journal cards, die cut them, make pockets, tags, tuck spots, things like that. So this one is Climbing Roses. I have Impressionist Roses, and look at the end paper on that. Isn't that beautiful? So beautiful. Oh, look at how pretty. Makes me wish I kept this book. I kept a few books, but they're gorgeous pages here that you can use in your journals. Gorgeous florals. This one I think I've sold before. I found another copy, Mix and Match Gardening. So you have the top and the bottoms. Lots of fun things you can do with that, all different florals. One little golden book, I found the Ugly Duckling. And I do have a digital kit called the Ugly Duckling. So you might want to purchase that as well. You can get it printed or digitally. And then make a cute little journal. Beautiful illustrations. This one's super cute. The Little Guide to Flowers, 400 illustrations. Really great size for pockets, tuck spots, collaging, cutouts, and things like that. So there's, oh, see how pretty some of those illustrations are. So there's that one. Traditional Old Roses. How pretty. Gorgeous. Look at some of those blooms. You can fussy cut them out. Make beautiful pockets. I think I need to do a series of videos on how to turn an old book into tags and pockets and things like that. I think that would be fun. Shrub Roses and Climbing Roses. Look at that. Look at how pretty some of these are. You get so many. Look at those full pages you can put in your journals. Hundreds of pages in here. And then the text pages you can use as well as a base for pockets and things like that. So, well, most of these, yeah. So you have a double text page. You can turn it into a pocket or something like that and pretty much use every bit of the book. Shrub Roses, Climbing Roses. I think I have another Climbing Roses. I just grabbed all the ones of these I could find because roses, I think you need lots of rose books in your junk journal library. Look at that page. Oh, so good. Climbing Roses. And these are really pretty yellow, light yellow covers. So you can turn them into a junk journal as well. Garden Trees. This is an eyewitness garden book. So if you're planning nature or tree journals, you have all different size pictures here that you can use. There's that one. And then I have a couple of Taylor's guides, bulbs, annuals, and shrubs. What I like about these books is you have a whole section of photos that you can use for journal cards or pockets or collaging, but you also have these more text pages that you can collage on top of, use as pockets and other things like that. There's a ton of pages. So I have shrubs, I have annuals, And I have bulbs. And I think these are probably all from the 80s. That's my guess. Yeah, 86. This one is also 86. Yeah, I think they're all in 87. So they're all from the 80s. The Rose Lover's Guide. Look at how pretty some of these are. Look at that. Those beautiful, beautiful old photos. I think these, the 83. There's a lot of text pages, but again, you can use those. And then the gorgeous, look at those. Oh, so lovely. And then some really cool charts and things here in the back that you can use as pages as well. The Color Dictionary of Garden Plants. I think I own this one, and I think I've sold it before too. It's always a great one because this whole first part is just double-sided photos. When you cut one square out, the back is also a photo. So these make excellent little squares for tucking in pockets and clipping on paper clips as ephemera. And then there's a dictionary in the back that you have great dictionary pages that are garden themed. This one's not garden or plant themed. It is a favorite fairy tales, and I thought the colors were so cute. And this is probably from the 80s. No, the 60s. 65, it looks like. Has Sleeping Beauty, the Ugly Duckling, the Princess and the Pea, Rumpelstiltskin, Hansel and Gretel. And look at these colors. Look at how pretty. Look at that. So I know somebody's going to love that for their fairy tale journals. So beautiful. Shrub Roses. Got that one. And then if you're doing a Disney journal or something like that, you love Mickey, I found Gardening with Mickey. And each of the tabs have a cute little Mickey here. And then there's pictures of the parks and flowers and cute little illustrations. So you can use these in your journals because we're not copying them. But look at how cute those are. They're just adorable. So I thought that that was quite a cute find. Something very different from what I've seen. This is a teacher's journal. It does not look like it's been used. The papers look like they haven't been written on. But I thought these have wonderful quotes, Bible verses and quotes about teaching. And I thought these would be really great to tear out and to use in journals as writing papers. So that's a great option there. And there's a little pocket here in the back, a keepsake pocket. And you could take that off and use it if you wanted to. Climbing Roses, I've been showing you those. I have 2 copies of All Things Grow with Love. I used to have this, and I think I used it all up, but it has a teapot charm. And then these illustrations are absolutely gorgeous. They're bright, they're fun, there's script, there's florals, there's all sorts of things. So there's so many things you can do with these as far as collage goes, pockets, pages, and I have 2 copies of that. And then I have a book just on lilies, so perfect for springtime and or Easter. This is all just lilies. Beautiful lilies. And I did think about keeping this one. And the last one is also tea roses. So lots of rose books. But I'll get all these listed. I hope that you enjoy them. Maybe if you have not been able to go thrift shopping or go to a used bookstore, you could find a couple books here and add them to your library. And I'm going to try to get some videos, Lindsay Creates series. After I finish my journal, maybe I'll go through some books and how to use book pages for different things. I did just do a video. If you type in Lindsay Creates, it should pop up. I did a video on making book page pockets, and so that would give you a really good idea of how to use these. I hope you'll enjoy that. I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, and I cannot wait to see you all in my next video.